Isang moment na gusto kong i-share sa inyo na I would never forget. Okay? Basta surprise niya to. Kasi every time na gigising na ako sa hindi magandang paraan, nagagayat ako and all. Pero yung time na nagpakahirap ko sa tickets, para sa Boracay, para sa surprise na binigyan niya sa akin. So, I'm so thankful for having her, for letting me experience all of it. Kasi sabi ko nga sa kanya na yung binigyan sa akin surprise na to. Kasi yung nasa parang camera. Guys, please, let me have this moment. Kasi ako, I'm being soon. I'm really soon. Ano? Kahit na limit, hayaan mo muna ako maging emotional next time. No, honestly, thank you. I'm really thankful that God gave me. Kasi yung mga times na sobrang down ako, sobrang wala akong place, sobrang wala akong coach na naman. When He was always at my side. You know, parang for some of you na doubted the love that went me, asked me but I tell you, this attention namin ito, she loves me more. Okay, 16 years ago. You know, you really surprised na sa bola. Sabi niya, no one said, parang gave me, I'm so thankful. You know, there are no words. This is really true, okay? You know, parang it's a cliche na parang narinig nyo sa lahat ng mga lovers and all na there are no words, but I mean this kind of heart. Pag-o, ano mo na ito kasi?